Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add subscribe automation using Kdenlive. To begin with, here I am in Kdenlive editor, and in the project bin I have two videos. One is the main background video and the other one is the subscribe automation in green screen. Now, if you want to download this subscribe automation video, you can just navigate to this website, pixabay.com. Now, once you're here, navigate to videos and in the search bar, type in subscribe green screen. And once you do that, you'll have a variety of options. Most of them are free, I believe. So you can just go ahead and choose the subscribe automation that you prefer. Now, once you download, so you just need to click this download button. And actually, if you click on the video itself, on the right hand side here, if you open the drop down, you can choose the quality of the video as well. So once you download your selected subscribe automation video and you import it to Kdenlive, next we have to add our main video to video track 1 like this. I'm gonna mute this video and then drag and drop this green screen video. So first of all, if I play this is our video, and then by the time the playhead reaches this video in track 2, it overtakes, right? So this is our green screen video. Now you place this video whatever you want the subscribe automation to appear. So let's say I'll place it here. Now we have to select this subscribe automation video in track 2, then navigate to effects, and in the search bar type in chroma, find this chroma key basic effect. Now drag and drop it on this green video in track 2. Then under effect composition stack, you'll find chroma key basic settings. So find color key, select this color picker, and then navigate here on the preview window and click anywhere on the green color. Just left click with your mouse. And as you can see, the green background now is gone. If you still have this small greenish line around your objects, you can adjust this slider. So you probably need to increase it just a little. And once you're happy with the results, if you replay the video, and that's your subscribe automation. Now, you can also just make a copy of this bit and add it anywhere on your project, and it will come post-processing. So it will have the green screen removed already if you just make a copy of this video as many times as you want across your main video. And this is it, guys. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.